Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on the CSI chapters vcode of everything. And we'll take a look at a topic of Java today, which is array. Like you may argue that we discussed array in the last video also. So why are we doing it? So yeah, today we'll do it for strings. In the last video, I remember we covered this topic for the integer type array, and yeah, I'll And in this video, I'll discuss a new techniques of printing the array or accessing it. So let's head on with an example. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'll create an array list. So for doing that, it is simple array list. And now let's name a array list. Let's name it over here. And I want to define the data type of this array list, and which is string. Okay, and yeah, so let's create it. So here I created one array list, and now what I'll do, I'll add some data to it. So in the previous video we discussed about dot add function. So I won't tell you what this function is. I'll just use it directly. Let's say if you don't know what this add function is or how to add some data in the array list, you can just look at our previous Java video. We discussed about this array list already, so that's why I'm not covering this in a lot of detail. I'm just I'm just introducing you to new concept today. Yeah, so that's why I'm not covering this dot add function once again. You can just check the previous video if you have any doubt or you don't know about this add function. So I'll add some data to it very fast. We add next ones in forward. So we can just do something like this. I told you about this and indexing in the previous video. Yeah, again saying that you can check it out if you want. Okay, so in the last video, how did we print the array list? We did it using simple for loop, but today it is gonna be something different. Okay, it is gonna be for loop, but the arguments in this for loop will be little bit different. Okay, so yeah, I am using for loop again, and what I'm doing is I'll define uh, and I'll define a variable of type string. Okay, so yeah, for doing that we have to use a string and let's name it number. So what I'm doing, I'm defining a variable number which is of data type string. And what is this number? This number is inside obj. So yeah, we can use this colon and we can write this obj over here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just print out this one. So for doing that, let's do something like this. So what will happen now is, what do you think is gonna happen? So our code, first of all, it'll create a list which has elements list as follows, and then when we are printing it, so we are defining a variable of type string and naming it as number. And we are defining the value of number which is inside obj. Okay, so number has the value inside obj. So what we are doing is we are just printing out string plus number. So number, first of all, the value of number it is gonna be L. Then when the for loop executes for the second time, then the value of number it is gonna be I. As we added I at index 1. So yeah, the value of number will change to I, then F, and then T as for this. Okay, if we run this, we will get the expected output, which is LIST. You can see it is printing out LIST. Hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also ask us in our WhatsApp groups. And yeah, you can also rewind the video, take another look at it if you still have any doubt. Yeah, till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.